Hey y'all, welcome to or back to my channel, and today I'm just going to be doing a protein treatment on my hair. I'm going to be using eggs, mayo, and olive oil. So let's just get right into that. I'm going to show you guys how I prep it, and then we're just going to put it in my hair. Alright, so here I have 3 eggs, my mayo, and my olive oil. I hope 3 eggs is enough. We're just going to crack those open. Some people only use the egg white and take out this part, but I'm gonna use all of it. All right, this may be as good as I can get mine. I am going to go ahead and hurry before the oil starts to try to separate from everything else that's in here. This is my first time adding oil in this protein treatment. My hair is very tangled right now, so I'm just going to separate my hair into 4s. Start at the back and then work my way to the front. I'm going to twist off these sections to avoid any breakage. All right, I'm just gonna dive straight in and use my hand. All right, I have my wide tooth comb and I have my dimming brush just in case I want to use them. I may use this wide tooth comb. Yep, so I'm just gonna lather my hair in this and even attempt to get the roots really good, since this time I added that oil. Wow, when I say this feels way better than it did any other time I did this. This feels so good. Like, it's so soft. Like, after I'm finished, I'm going to do this other back section and one top section, and I will show you guys up close. I will show you guys up close. Wow, this feels really good. This feels really good for your hair. Wow. Get on the counter, so I really hope y'all can see this. Okay, I know I'm looking crazy, but this is what it looks like. My curls look very like straight. Okay, my camera cut off again, and I was literally talking, and I thought it was still on. So, like I said, I'm gonna leave this on my head, go outside for a while, and hope that the eggs don't cook on my head. I'm gonna stay out there for like 15 minutes, and then come back in and wash my hair. I'm not sure if y'all want to see the curls right after I wash this out or what, but I actually have to hurry and blow dry my hair, so because I have some things to do. I'll try to show you guys quickly because I don't like to disappoint or anything. So I will show you guys. I will be right back. Okay, so that's what it looks like after I rinse it out. If I'm being honest, it's really soft. My fingers run through easily. My hair feels very fine as of right now though. Like, I don't know, it just my hair, yo. It feels so different than it used to a long time ago. But I don't know, this feels like it was good for my hair. It does still have like a dry feeling to it, almost like I got a head full of split ends. That's the feeling that it's giving me. Almost like if you, I don't know, like it just feel like I got split ends bad or something. So lots of hair repair, but I will be right back after I blow dry my hair, and I will show you guys my length blow dry. All right, this is my hair length after my cut that I got in, I believe, either February or March. This is my hair length. I don't think it grew much. I will show from the back. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my comment section. If you try this, let me know. Whatever you guys do for your protein shake. It cut off again. But if you guys have any special remedies, concoctions that you do for your at-home protein treatment, let me know and I may try it. Feel free to converse with each other in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video.